What is up, YouTube? My name is Lexi and today we're going to be trying some Poppin Cookins. If you don't know what Poppin Cookins are, they're basically like an easy bake oven but without the oven. They come in little cardboard boxes and are like amazing candy things that you can make, and hopefully they taste good. I don't know. Emma Chamberlain did a video on this. I just got inspired by her and I wanted to try my own and see if I can even make these things. I'm just bad with my hands. And I'm just really awkward with crafty things, so we're gonna try. I have my glass of water. I think I'm ready to go. Let's get into this video. I have two Poppin Cookins. One is like ice cream, one is donuts. I think we're gonna start with ice cream. It says to wash your hands and prepare a glass of water, which I have. First things first is to open the box. Oh god, it doesn't even want to open. There we go. So, oh my lord, okay. I already know this is too difficult for me because there are numerous things in this box. Step one, cut the wafers. Why am I cutting the wafers? Like, why do I need to cut them? I need to cut them for the ice cream so they can stick in the ice cream. This is all so confusing to me. Girl, look how tiny this is. So small. Okay, whatever. We're just gonna roll with it. I'm a little bit stressed, but that's okay. That's okay. Where did it even... That's how they're supposed to look, and that's how mine turned out. But like, I have a few good ones, so we're just gonna hope for the best here, and hopefully all of this works out well. One more wafer to do, guys. Step two. 1 second. Got the scissors. We're gonna cut this. Cup is done. I think I got this part. Don't make these things easy to cut. Pour the pink one into one section of the tray. And the second one is vanilla. These smell so good. This is the best part already. The wafer was horrible, but now it's getting better. You ready for this? A full, oh. With a spoon, we mix it until creamy. Do you see this? It's like turning into like a beautiful cream. That tastes good. Just like how I spend my Friday nights, guys. Alone in my home with a Poppin Cookin. Oh, I get it. This is getting difficult. I don't even think I'm doing this right. This is supposed to be for kids, and it's already complicated. This is a mess, guys. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? I need a napkin. Done. I'm so excited. That actually looks pretty, that looks pretty good. Let me put the wafer in. Then we add sprinkles. I'm literally having the best day of my life. Guys, here's my finished ice cream. It looks so cute. I'm so excited. Now we have to do the taste test. I don't love it. I was expecting this to taste real good, and it doesn't taste that good. Too sweet, you know? I think I kind of screwed up the cream too because I added way too much water. This one, you take the tart thingy. I already screwed it. I'm not meant to do this. This looks stupid. I don't even want to show you this one. I'm just gonna eat it. That one tasted better. I think there was like more wafer to balance out the shitty taste of the cream. We're gonna do one more. I don't know if you can see the mess on my fingers right now. I'm literally just struggling. I did my first Poppin Cookin. Woo! I might save the other one for a little bit later because my camera's dying, but hey, this was fun. I'd like to see more stupid activities like this. Please subscribe or like this video, or don't. Do whatever you want. I gotta wash my hands before I turn my camera off, so yeah. I can't guarantee that my content will get better than this because this was fun. Alright guys, peace.